Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Dyson V8 isn't picking up properly, you may be experiencing a common issue. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as a clogged filter or a blocked brush bar. If left unattended, it can lead to reduced suction power and ultimately damage to your device. It's essential to address this issue promptly to ensure your vacuum continues to operate effectively. To complete the repair, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Start by removing the bin from the main body of the vacuum. To do this, press the release button and lift the bin away. Next, locate the screws that hold the main casing together. Carefully unscrew them using your screwdriver, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing to access the internal components. At this point, you should be able to see the motor and the brush bar. Inspect the brush bar for any tangled hair or debris that could be causing the blockage. If you notice any, use your tweezers to carefully extract it. Next, check the filter. If it appears dirty or clogged, remove it and rinse it under cold water until it is clean. Allow it to dry completely before reinstallation. After cleaning the components, reassemble the vacuum by reversing the steps. Align the casing carefully and press it back into place, ensuring no wires are pinched. Replace the screws securely, but avoid over-tightening. Finally, reattach the bin and plug the device back in. Turn it on and test to see if it picks up properly now. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean the filter regularly and check the brush bar for blockages after each use. Regular maintenance will keep your Dyson V8 functioning at its best. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.